Hello, Chef here. So today I'm mixing up a little protein shake. I thought I'd share that with you. So right here we've got super ripe banana. I'm going to put that banana right here in my vessel. And I'm going to be adding some Vietnamese cinnamon. It's more pungent, it's got more of a bite than regular cinnamon. Man, is it good. And it's good for you. So here's about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Next ingredient we've got is whole nutmeg. Oh yeah, the good stuff. We're just going to grate a little bit of nutmeg right into this vessel. Okay. There we go. Next ingredient we've got is 2% milk. And besides the milk, I'm going to need some water because that's not going to be enough liquid for my chocolate isolated whey protein powder here. Here you go. 60 grams. Now before I put the protein powder, I do like to puree this up. Oh, chocolate banana. That's going to be good. Okay, powder goes in. So right here we've got about 70 grams of protein. Lots of natural vitamins, nutrients, good stuff. Oh, that's going to be good. Okay, so you just take and put it in your beautiful mug there. And wow. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking. Yeah. Towards juices and foods. So it does a lot of things actually, and most of all it makes it look really good, and it's maintaining it. So this is it. I'm about all done. I throw the bag in my recycle bin, and then by tomorrow, this baby will be totally dry, absorbs all the oil that you give it. You can see the nice sheen that the oil has provided. It's locking in the elements, keeping out the elements as well, and the mystery oil is the perfect treatment for your blocks. The board cream works very well too. I just like the mystery oil on this end grain giant butcher block.